Now you may be wondering when we can use a J matrix. You can use a J matrix to create a matrix of deviation scores from a matrix of raw scores. We actually did this in video 3.2 when we did matrix subtraction, but today we're going to do it using a J matrix, and this is the formula you'll need. So this is the small y is the matrix of y minus 1 over n times J matrix times that y matrix again, where n is your order. So if we have a 5 by 3 y matrix that we've been using that we'll continue to learn that looks like this. So our y matrix is 5, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 10, and 2, 1, 7. And we're going to subtract that by 1 over, now our order is 5. We have 5 rows here, and we're going to need a 5 by 5 J matrix. So that's just ones. And multiply it by our y matrix again. Where I pointed out y is just our raw scores that we have over here. So let's simplify this. So this 1 over 5 times what we get, which we mentioned before in the previous video, we get column sums. And they turn out to be 25, 20, and 40. And they just go down into each row here. We can reduce even more. And luckily these column sums nicely divide by 5 here. So what we'll get is 5s, 4s, and 8s down the column. And we do simple subtraction, and we get 0, negative 4, 1, 3, 3, negative 2, 1, 3, 0, negative 1, 1, this is 2, negative 3, negative 3, and negative 1. So let's go over to Excel and I'll show you how to do that there. I already went ahead and put our y matrix in here. Now I have two J matrices, the 3 by 3 and the 5 by 5. The one we will be using is the 5 by 5 matrix. So here's our formula. What we need first is to get the J matrix times the y matrix, and we're going to do that over here, which we did in the last video, but I'm just going to do it one more time. So we get our J, comma y, Control Shift Return, get our column sums, and then over here for our final product, and I'm going to put these in parentheses, get y minus 1 over 5 times our jy here. And comparing that with what we did over here handwritten, we do get 0, negative 4, 1, 3, 3, negative 2, 1, 3, 0, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 3, negative 3, negative 1, which is correct. And that's how you use a J matrix to create a matrix of deviation scores from raw scores.